What is up guys? Today we're going to install Python for Windows. First of all, open your web browser. Then go to python.org. On the Python page, you can see the Downloads tab and Windows. Click on Windows. Depending on your operating system, you might want to choose 64 or 32-bit. To check that, we can open File Explorer, right-click this PC, Properties. And as you can see, we have a 64-bit operating system. So let's close these windows and click on Windows x86-64 executable installer. Run. And now you can close your browser. Now, if you want to use Python from the command line terminal, I would recommend to add it to your path. If not, just click install. But for this demonstration, we're going to click on add to path and install now. Alright, so the setup was successful, and I would recommend to disable your path length limit so Python successfully adds to your path. This is just to be sure. So you can click on this one and yes. Okay, so Python is now installed on your computer. How do you check that? Well, you can click Windows plus R, type in CMD. Here you can check if you have installed Python, and it's package manager. Package manager is called pip, so you can just type in pip, and as you can see, we have pip installed. Now we can check the Python, and here is Python. So thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.